Today we're making something that's so good, it's said to win hearts with just one mouthful. It's Marry Me chicken pasta. It's creamy, it's delicious, and it makes an absolutely unforgettable dinner. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, whether you are cooking for your date night or for your family, this Marry Me chicken pasta is sure to make the taste buds swoon. So let's get cooking. In my little bowl here, I've got 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch in the US. And to that, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. And mix it all together. Now here I've got 600 grams or 1.3 pounds of chunky chopped up chicken breast. We're going to sprinkle over that cornflour mixture and then toss it all together to coat. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Add the chicken and cook for 7 to 8 minutes, turning a couple of times until nice and golden brown all over. Once that chicken's cooked, bring a large pan of salted water to the boil for the pasta. Back to the frying pan, add 3 minced cloves of garlic, 3 spring onions or scallions that have been chopped, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli flakes, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and 75 grams of sun-dried tomatoes in oil, and give it a stir together and cook for about 2 minutes. Now add in 240 ml or 1 cup of chicken stock, 120 ml or 1/2 cup of double or heavy cream, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Stir that all together and bring it to a gentle simmer. Now we add 400 grams or 14 ounces of fresh tagliatelle to the pan of boiling water and cook it as per the instructions, usually about 2 to 3 minutes. Drain the pasta off and then add it to the pan with the chicken. Sprinkle over 50 grams or 1/2 packed cup of grated parmesan and 10 to 15 fresh basil leaves. Now toss it all together using a set of tongs until that pasta's thoroughly coated in that delicious sauce. And now we're ready to serve. Divide the pasta between bowls, top with the chicken. And then I like to sprinkle on some black pepper, a few more leaves of fresh basil, and some grated parmesan, and serve with some lovely garlic bread. And if you like this, I know you're going to love my Tuscan chicken or my garlic parmesan chicken pasta. I'll see you over there. Whoa, that's a big bit.